Hi there, this is Maths Angela doing some work on powers. So I'm going to do some examples and you're going to answer the questions next to it. So the first one says, write down the reciprocal of 5. So the reciprocal is the fractional inverse of this. So if I was to work out the reciprocal of 8, I would write 1 over 8. Yeah, so the reciprocal of 8 is 1 over 8. Okay, what's the reciprocal of 10? Well, that's 1 over 10. Okay, so you just got to remember what the word reciprocal means. It means 1 over the number. Okay, evaluate means to work out the number answer to this power here with a negative. Okay, so let me do a few examples for you here. So let's say I had evaluate 4 to the minus 1. So the minus 1, the minus is telling you to turn it into reciprocal. So this turns into 1 over 4 to the power of 1. Now anything to the power of 1 is just itself. So the ultimate answer is 1 over 4. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say I had 5 to the power of minus 2. So it's a reciprocal, 1 over 5 to the power of 2. And then 5 to the power of 2 means 5 squared, which means 5 times 5, which is 1 over 25. Okay, and then you can have a go at that question there. Write down the value, so we want an actual answer, not a power, of the square root of 81. So let me talk you through. What about the square root of 36? So these are your square numbers. So what number did you times by itself to give you 36? Well, that was 6 times 6, so your answer is 6. Try another one, square root of 25. Well, I know from up here that 5 squared is 25, so it is 5. Okay, so you can have a go at that one there. Okay, work out the value, so what's the number answer, of this squared plus this cubed. So let's do our own one. So work out the value of 4 squared plus 3 cubed. Okay, so 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 3 cubed. Well, 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So once you've got those two answers, all you've got to do is to add them together and you get 43. Okay then, so then you can have a go at those questions there. Right, we already know that this is to the power of minus 1, so it's like this up here, it becomes a reciprocal. This is 0.5, this is clear. This is minus 5. Right, anything to the power of 0 is 0. Okay, so if we had is 1. So if we have 4 to the power of 0, it would be 1. If we had 10 to the power of 0, it would be 1. Okay, so anything to the power of 0 is 1. So now you can have a go at ordering those questions there, those numbers there. Okay, solving. Right, so let's say I had 2 times x squared, okay, equals 50. Okay, so I know 2 times a number squared equals 50. So I'm going to divide the 50 by 2 to find out what x squared is. So x squared is equal to 25. Okay, so what number do I times by itself to give me 25? Well, that's 5. Okay, so let me talk you through that again. You divide by this number 50, or the number on the other side, by the number in front of the x squared, and then you say, I've got to square root this. So what number squared gives me 25, or what is the square root of 25? Okay, this is another negative one. Right, so you can have a go at that. C, right, simplify this. So this means what you're doing here is you are going to multiply the powers to get your ultimate answer. You're not working out a value, you're just simplifying. Okay, so let's do one together. So let's say I have 4y squared to the power of 4. Okay, so I'm doing 4 to the power of 4. Okay, so 4 to the power of 4 means 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. It's not an easy one to do because 4 times 4 is 16, times another 4 is 64, and then times another 4 either have a calculator or do a long multiplication, you get 3, 5, 6. And then we need our y to a power. So I've done the number to a power, and now I've got to do this y2 to the power. So we're going to multiply these two together to get our ultimate power. So y to the power of 8, you've multiplied them. Okay, so have a go at those questions there, see how you do. Good luck. Bye.